Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm actually upgrading my own PC. I got this PC back in November of 2023. I got the i7 9700K and also along with the RTX 3060Ti. The reason why I'm upgrading is I had the parts. First thing, that's the thing. I actually got an Asus B550 motherboard for another build because I didn't continue with that build and I wasn't able to return the motherboard. I didn't want to upgrade the GPU. I just wanted to upgrade my CPU and then the motherboard obviously. So that's what we're going to see in this video. And for the CPU, I did pick out a Ryzen 5900x. I got a pretty good deal on Marketplace for that. I got a used one. It's not technically a used one. It's just like an open box. It was never used, but I got it for $300. If I buy it on Amazon, it's almost $370 plus taxes. It's going to go beyond $400. So let's go ahead and install the processor with the motherboard. So I installed the CPU on the motherboard and now let's take out my system and basically rip apart everything. I have to pretty much take everything out because I'm not actually reusing the cooler too. I have a new Thermalright Assassin cooler which I also got for the other build, but I wasn't able to return it. The only thing I'm gonna reuse is the RAM and the storage. I have a 1 TB M2 storage and also 32 GB RAM and also the GPU. So let's go and rip out all these parts first. So I took out the motherboard with the processor and the cooler. So let's put in the new processor, and before we do that, let's actually install this new Thermalright cooler which I have. We can install that, we can install the RAM and also the SSD, and then we'll put it in the case now. So I installed the motherboard, the GPU, the RAM and the storage, everything is done. So before we actually move to the cable management, let's just plug in everything and see if it works and if it gives a boot. And if everything's good, we can move ahead with the cable management. So everything's good. I'm gonna do the cable management and connect all the fans properly so that everything gets detected there. So let's go ahead with the cable management now. The cable management is done, and since we already installed Windows and everything is there, so we don't have to do any of that. So let's just directly connect it, update the TPM, and we can directly go into the PC. The 5900X and the 3060Ti, really good match. The 9th generation i7 does bottleneck the 3060Ti. I did check it with GTA 5. Now it's a little bit better. You can use Intel with AMD or Intel with NVIDIA, AMD with NVIDIA. It doesn't really matter, Some people don't like pairing an AMD with an NVIDIA. So, I don't really mind, and it does work really well. It's a very short video, I know, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like what I'm upgrading to. The only thing I spent is for the CPU, which is like $300. Motherboard, when I got that, it was $150, the B550, and the cooler was like around $25. I'm gonna build another PC, my old processor and the motherboard, and that'll be the next video. So if you guys have any questions or if you guys have any comments, like please do comment below, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, it's Manish.